there was a ceremony here and everything, but when COVID hit, everything kind of stopped. But this year we were able to stop here. Hopefully next year we can do more with this and have some kind of a ceremony over here on the same day. But we would like to keep this as an annual thing, day before Flag Day, just to come over here and show everybody some love, all these vets. Today here, I met a World War II vet. He met Patton. I mean, he lives right here. It's crazy, these guys over here, and they love what we're doing. They love the motorcycles. We're just over here to show them some love. That's all.
Ladies and gentlemen, this guy would like young man would like a picture.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Isn't it nice? Yeah.
Oh, he's a big man. I'll take his picture.
Oh, I'm going to give you a lick.
You thought that was a trip, but treat, didn't you, Alex?
Hasn't seen her daddy in months and months.
Really? First time?
Yeah.
This is your dog?
Yeah.
Yes.
He hasn't been home since August.
So this is the first time you've met your dog since last August?
Yes.
Well, one brief one in the parking lot.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, so happy to see you.
Thank you. She's my baby, right? My baby girl. Oh, you gonna be good?
How did you feel to see Lacey today?
I feel blessed that I get to see her again. I didn't know if I was going to be able to see her, so very blessed.
I mean, it's great being here. There's something that goes right here when you're meeting World War II veterans that met Patton, and these people that live here, these retired vets and stuff that have been through amazing things for us to keep us free. It's just right here. That's what we're here for.
We couldn't do what we do if they didn't do what they did.
It's a pleasure.